Okay. You see, here is a project with some unknown errors, so it's showing a blank screen. When we are facing this situation, we can simply use the new Runtime Scanner feature here. Turn on the scanner by clicking here. It will start to scan your project. It'll take about 30 seconds. Then we could see the problem is showed on the screen. You can click on the Fix button to let the AI fix them. See, the problem is fixed. After the new version is updated, we can turn off the scanner and turn it on again to see if there is any other problem. See? All clear. This runtime scanner will take a lot more time to load your projects because it's not only loading, it's also detecting everything. So if you are not facing any problem, please turn it off.